Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you two ways to smoke. The first smoke that we're going to teach today is a way for an AWP to peek aggressively. From spawn, just aim at this and just let go. This will smoke the entirety of their mid and you can peek more freely. If you want a more of an aggressive smoke, aim this side and step a bit forwards. Aim to the right and let go. Smokes this territory and you can peek aggressively. A passive smoke, that means it covers up the mid of the doors. Just aim here and that way all the smoke is cleared from mid and you can pass to B. And while I kill those, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.